Hey, so my name's Sabrina. I am the digital marketing and sales coordinator here at Furniture Bank. At Furniture Bank, our mission is to end furniture poverty. What we do at Furniture Bank is we redistribute gently used and still good, still usable, still lovable furniture items. Last year, we were able to serve 6,400 individuals and about 1,800 children. We are seeing the need continue to rise year after year, so it's really, really important that we continue to spread the word and have more people find out about Furniture Bank. We do want to make sure that we are reaching those most vulnerable people, like people transitioning from homelessness, women and children escaping maybe abusive situations. We work with women's shelters. There's youth that are transitioning from the care system that are moving into new places and need a hand. And we want to make sure that everyone has what they need to build a comfortable and dignified home.